So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this 21st lecture of CIIPS course. This is probably the last online lecture that we will have because I will not be covering any additional content after this. And we will look at some patent related stuff today. This was one aspect that I had promised we will do in this course, but did not get an opportunity to look at. So this is primarily also relevant to those teams over here who do not have a product pitch, in the sense that who do not have a startup pitch to make in the final presentation. So for those of us who do not have a startup pitch to make in the final presentation, you can actually talk about the product innovation that you are doing or the process innovation that you are doing and the associated pitch for the patent itself. Okay, so that can be your patent presentation that you could be talking about in the final presentation, which is supposed to be on 25th or 26th of April. So just 2 weeks away, not more than that. So that is what we are going to cover in today's class, and then we will move to our project work. Is that okay with all of us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So give me a second. You're able to see the slides now, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. So this is one chart that I had shown you long back when I introduced TRIZ to you. In this chart, we have the number of patents that Samsung filed every year since 1995. Okay, 1995 to 2014, 20 years chart this is. And you notice that there is a at once jump, from less than 500 patents per year to something like 1500 patents per year in the zone of 1997-98. And that was the time when TRIZ was introduced to Samsung. So in a way, we are saying that there is some correlation between TRIZ and patents that a company files. That is why we are also talking about patents in this class today. And in the same place, we also start to look at how has the brand value of Samsung been over these past so many years. So this is from 2000 to 2014, so 15 years, not exactly 20 years, but yeah, still there. And when you place both these charts together, you see that there's a kind of a correlation between the inventiveness or the innovativeness of a company and the value that people place with that particular brand. You see, there is a second spurt in patents that is happening around 2006-2007 timeframe, and within the next 2-3 years, the perception of Samsung as an innovative brand or as a brand of value also sees a significant jump. We look at another company, Hyundai. This is again a big conglomerate. Samsung is a big conglomerate, as you know. It's a mix of semiconductors and software and appliances and so on. Hyundai also, it's a South Korean company, again a big conglomerate. And they also observed something similar, from having something like 100-150 patents per year to a point where they are touching 600 patents, 700 patents a year. And if you look at their brand value, that also saw a sudden spurt in the brand value. See, something is happening. And over here also you see that, okay, the number of patents start to increase in 2010, and simultaneously the brand value also starts to increase by 2011 and something like that. So what we are essentially saying over here is that there is empirical correlation between the inventiveness or the number of patents that a company files, or the kind of value that a company adds in terms of new IP, and the value as it is perceived by the customers and by the markets. There would be a time lag involved because you file a patent and then it takes some time for you to industrialize it, productize it, and bring it to the market for market to accept it, and so on.